This week on Entertainment Recap, Jada Kingdom signed to Republic Records, reopening of the entertainment sector, these and lots more. I'm your host, Alicia. Let's get into it. Jada Kingdom is the newest Caribbean female artist signed to New York-based record label known as Republic.
Every time I feel, can't do no different. Swear me half a win, that's why I'ma try again. Pray every time I feel, cause God always a listen.
The Jamaican singer and songwriter also announced that she has a new management team and is very excited to share the news with her fans. Verse, Jada's View, also made the announcement on his Instagram page, dubbing the artist's deal the biggest record label deal for a female Caribbean artist. Congrats, Jada.
I'm pretty home, I want to cut the place under. Yes, me, Tanisha first starter. When we don't stop music.
World's fastest man Usain Bolt and partner Casey Bennett added not one, but two handsome baby boys to their family. The news about the twin boys Saint Leo and Thunderbolt graced social media on Father's Day in a beautiful Victorian-themed photo with their sister Olympia Bowles and parents. The wait is somewhat over for those in the entertainment sector who have been affected by the restrictions from the novel coronavirus. Effective July 1st, 2021, curfew will begin at 11 p.m. to 5 a.m. Mondays through Saturdays, and on Sundays 6 p.m. to 5 a.m. until August 11, 2021.
Before I announce these new measures, I want to urge, as I did before, caution. This is not a time to become complacent. Indeed, we will have to be even more vigilant about observing the protocols and keeping ourselves and each other safe. So, Madam Speaker, indoor theaters and cinemas will be allowed to open with the same size-based capacity limitation, slightly different in how it is phrased. One person for every 40 square feet or 70% of seated capacity, whichever is low. For drive-in cinemas, we will remove the existing capacity limitation under the number of vehicles, but instead require that the maximum number of persons in any vehicle should not exceed the number permitted to be in the vehicle under the registration. So for vehicles that are registered to carry more than 7 persons, the maximum allowed will be 8. Curfew hours. Effective July 1, 2021, the curfew will begin at 11 p.m. on Monday to Saturday and 6 p.m. on Sunday, and end at 5 a.m. the next morning until August 11, 2021. We believe, Madam Speaker, that this will allow almost full return in terms of business capacity to the quick service industries, and it will start the phasing in of entertainment.
This week's new music comes from Govana with Karen. Take a look.
Yo, Karen, lick up so me we beg you that my friend. No beg weed, but beg a little blem. One thing me I beg you tell them. Tell them say, me no beg friend. Beg friend, no, me no beg friend. Beg friend, no, me no beg friend. You crazy? Beg what? No, me no beg friend. What is that? Beg friend. You no like me, you feel me feel hurt. Go ring a neck, the moment till your teeth hurt. Broke wet, one talk and a deep dirt. Man trick a gal and off for a cheap skirt down a town. As a beast and street work. can't tell me say you're bad and you a thief first. Hey boy, do not ramp with the G nerves. Man, me show you how the limb them on the tree work. Yo, correct. Me so me we beg you that my friend. No beg weed, but beg a little blem. One thing me I beg you tell them. Tell them say me no beg friend. No. Beg friend, no, me no beg friend. You must be mad. Beg friend, no, me no beg friend. Never. Beg what? No, me no beg friend. What is that? Beg friend. Nah. You no like me, but I'm me first. Yeah. Me no run in, no dog that make me knee hurt. No. Louis V sneakers, match my t-shirt. Yeah. Start up a GLE, give them a speed burst. High grade, make me leave earth. Yeah. Have you rock there with it like a reverb. Me full of iron like the man them with the steel work. 4-4, put a forward in a reverse. Yo, correct. Let me so you we beg you that my friend. No beg weed, but beg a little blem. One thing me I beg you tell them. Tell them say me no beg friend. No. Beg friend, no, me no beg friend. You must be mad. Beg friend, no, me no beg friend. Never. Beg what? No, me no beg friend. What is that? Beg friend, no, me no beg friend. You must be mad. Beg friend, no, me no beg.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, this icon. Happy birthday to you. This week's birthday shout out goes to dancehall icon Supa. Yeah. Have a happy birthday while continuing to do great work. And just guess what? Big up you! And on that note, thanks for watching PBCJ's Entertainment Recap. I'm your girl, Alicia. Follow us on all socials at pbcjamaica. Thanks to Ear Candy each and every week for my earrings, of course. Remember to also follow them at the Ear Candy Collection on all socials. Just remember, always and forever, big up you!